What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you BreezeBox AC review. Does it really work? So, in this case, let's cut into the chase here. So if you've ever been stuck in the middle of a heat wave here, sweating it out, and looking for anything that promises relief, you might come across something called the BreezeBox AC. It's marketed as this compact, ultra cool, whisper quiet air cooler that can sit on your desk, in your bedroom, or even in your car, and supposedly gives you an Arctic chill in seconds. Now, sounds pretty amazing here, right? But, well, not so fast here. Now, here's the truth behind this type, or in this case, this hype here. Now, the BreezeBox uses evaporation cooling, which is basically just a fan that blows air through a wet sponge or water soak filter. Now, you add water, plug it via USB, and it's supposed to cool or humidify and even purify your air. But while that sounds fancy on the surface, this type of tech only really works in small, dry environments. If you're in a humid climate or trying to cool a normal sized room, the difference is barely noticeable, if at all. Now, so this isn't a mini air conditioner. No matter how they try to dress it up, it's actually closer to a glorified desk fan that happens to blow damp air. Now, here's where it gets sketchy here. This product is actually a classic dropshipping item. Identical versions of it are all over sites like AliExpress or even like Alibaba for less than $10. And what you're paying for with BreezeBox is not better quality. It's just branding, a fancy website, and a price markup. Most people are spending around $40 to $60 for something that costs a few bucks to manufacture. Now, if it breaks, or in this case, it never arrives, good luck getting your refund here. Now, the worst here is the website leans heavily on fake urgency tactics, like those timers that says only 10 minutes left for 60% off. Yeah, well, if you refresh your page, the clock actually starts over. I mean, it's just pressure marketing here, designed to make you panic buy before you've done your research. Now, there's also this thing called testimonial from someone. In this case, you may be able to see like different testimonials in the website here as well. So problem is here is there's no record of anyone if you try searching for that or for that specific testimonial for that specific someone as well. And another red flag here is the website doesn't list any actual specs here. No details on the wattage, how many BTUs it cools, the water tank size, even the cooling radius here. That kind of vagueness is intentional because it stops customers from comparing the product to actual air conditioners or even like better portable fans here. Now, on top of that, most of the images videos here on the site look like they were taken from other brands or stock footage libraries, and the reviews, they're kind of sketchy here, so you may want to weigh that in if it's actually real. So, in this case, does the BreezeBox AC actually work here? So, it might make a tiny difference here if you're sitting directly in front of it in a dry room, but don't expect it to cool down your space. It's not a game changer here. It's cheap, rebranded gadget sold at a premium price with a ton of marketing spinnies here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.